Okay, alright. So today, I'm going to continue working on my website redesign. So right now, I made this design yesterday, right? I also tweaked it a bit. There's some alternative variant for the homepage. So the main scene right now is to implement it, right? So first of all, I want to try to create some universal styles, right? Just like use HTML tags and see how far I can go with it. Here, right? So let's probably start with H1. $64. Is it like 4M, right? Font size. Why don't I have autocomplete here? It's so weird. 4M. Actually, I would like to remove all of that. Actually, I'm not sure. Oh wait, there is something. Okay, give me a moment. So contain HTML tags for non-void elements. Ambiguous. Oh yeah. I mean, it's gonna be image, but okay. Not bad. So I got home container. Then I got content wrapper. That's kind of weird. There's no reason to do it that way, I guess. Okay, so we have this like in a column, right? First of all, which design I'm going to implement? Top one or the bottom one? I feel like bottom one looks better, but I'm not sure. Like, it looks better because of these two links. If I'll remove them, it's gonna be a little bit disproportional. So if I want, like, make gap 32 or something. Maybe it's still good. Okay, I guess I'll probably stick to the second one. Yeah. So in second one, it's just basically flex, right? And then column here. So let's do this one. I got avatar here. Then I'm creating another div here. Why don't I get formatting? It's because I'm using Svelte. That actually makes sense. Can I like... No, I can't. Let's solve it right now in Vim, Svelte, formatter. Actually, let's do it like lazy win. Svelte. You can enable lazy extras. Don't I have Svelte enabled? Lazy extra. Recommended. I got Svelte here. Language script includes the following extras. You don't need to copy. Okay, let's play config. CO. Organize imports. Code action, source actions, route code lengths. OSP info. Okay, that's pretty interesting. Format. It just doesn't work. There's nothing here that will signify like what the problem is. Okay, let's move to NVim. Config NVim, Lua, plugins. Formatting. Do I have Svelte here? Yeah, I do have Svelte here, that's the problem. Right, quit all. Let's quiz this one too and win here. Okay, just Svelte. Now let's format it. Okay, nice. Now it works. So we got the home container. Right? Then there is body. Oh no, my bad. Wait. Wait, is it gonna work? It actually might work. Body. So we got outer here, then we got a column. Then in column we have this like greeting. Then horizontal lines and navbar. Okay. I would probably want to redesign navbar, but it's okay for now. Display flex items, align item center, justify content center. Yeah. Min height. Okay. Text align center. Not sure about this one, I don't need it. Padding to RAM. Yeah, might be good. Oh, I'm not running it. Ban run dev. Okay, white loads? Why it takes so much time to load? Wait, it just disappears? Or am I tripping? Body. What? Wait. That's so weird. Wait a minute. Wait, else failed. Am I using the wrong part? No, I don't. How can I even debug? Google Chrome is requesting just want to automatically configure the tools project settings to learn why and how to prevent this message. See? Okay, that's interesting, but why my page just disappears? Okay, let's stop it actually. Clear. Run dev. You see unused selector. Yeah, that's okay. Let's delete CSS for now. How, like... It's so fucking weird. Okay, so that's the body, which is the problem. Why would it be? Okay. Let's do it that way then, body. Why you cannot be a child of div? The browser will repair the HTML by removing... Oh, by removing or inserting elements which breaks also some... Wow. Oh, it's called main then, right? It's not body. Main HTML tag. Main tag is structural elements that represents the main content of the document. Okay, so it's main. Okay, we are getting somewhere. Oh, the diff is just way too big. Avatar. With 100 to 100. Can I, I actually have no idea how to do it. Okay, let's leave it that way. Background color. Actually, let's go to FCSS and import the colors I have made here. Right, so they're like in variables. Background 1, foreground 1. And also I want to try out, how's it called? Okay, lab color space. Is it how I do it? Yep. So I said lightness, chroma and hue, right? Yeah. Lightness. Actually, I have no idea. It's probably gonna work the same way as it does here, right? So what's the brightness that I have here? 55. 12. 0.55. Can use percents, right? 55%. 0 and 0. Oh, I can just like remove commas. Actually, it should be here. And here is 12. Right? Yeah, 12. Okay, no. It should probably be root or something like that. This says how to define global variables. Yeah, it's column root. Global variables are generic variables that will be used to keep the consistency between all our components. Some examples of global variables are font, default font size, and color palette. It's super simple to define global variables on CSS. We use a how's it called? Column root selector, and inside it we define our variables. But why column root? What does color mean? Oh, yeah. What does column, not color? Colored root. Again, I said color. Why do I keep saying color? Column root CSS pseudo class matches the root element of a tree representing the document in HTML. Root represents the HTML element and identical to selector HTML, except that its specificity is higher. Okay. 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 So now I can go here, right? And go with BG1. Will it work? It does work, but it's like doesn't match the HSL color space. Let's move to what? 30? Let's try 30. The bright. 20. 15. Damn, it jumps so fast here. 16? Okay, I'm okay with 16. Muted. Color. Round 1. Yeah, I guess it's okay. It doesn't seem to work. Muted here. Oh, my bad, because it's not here. Yep, here we go. Let's leave this one and this one. Damn. Okay, I have to reset my CSS styles. CSS normalize. $7 years ago, wait. Wait, that seems way too old. Use modern normalize because the tailwind built the rest on and I assume they're smarter than me. Yeah, pretty good assumption. Modern normalize. CSS. Yeah, just like that, I guess. Let's get back. Okay, pretty good. I still have this enormous margin around my H1 tag. I have no idea why. Actually, have no idea why. Preflight. Let's try. Let's actually try preflight. This one looks better. The lead-in is still really big, however. Where do I go? App CSS. What are they doing here? Actually, prevent padding and border from affecting element width. Wow. Which technique for selecting box size and border box? We could. Or we could. It's completely naive here. But I found this STX article. Comments convincing. Okay, whatever. Remove default margins and paddings. Reset all borders. Okay, I mean, pretty good. Actually, less, I guess it should be here. Like, I'll leave it here. After before backdrop. Okay. Use a consistent, sensible line height in all browsers. Prevent adjustments of font iOS after orientation change. How have I read iOS here? Of font size after orientation change in iOS. Use a more readable tab size. Use the user's configured sans font family by default. Disable tab highlighting on iOS, okay. HTML host. Line height. 1.5. I'm not sure actually. 1.2. No, I'm actually not sure. I want to check what is default leading for Tailwind. Like how did I do it? Text Excel? Text Excel. Size. Font size. Line height. Text excess line height. Calc 1 divided by... Where is this calculations like from? How does it get them? 1, 1, 1. Okay, so let's leave it as 1.5. Go here. Make line height 1. Yeah, okay, pretty good. What else do we have here? Line height, we keep text size, adjust, okay. Tab size, font family, them. Device on server, system UI, okay. Font feature setting, them. Okay. Add the correct height in Firefox. Wait, wait, how? Hey, HR? That's weird. Correct the inheritance of border color in Firefox. Reset the default border style to a 1 pixel solid border. By border okay, these tweaks are like so weird. Add the correct text decoration from Edge and Safari. Abur, where, title. Underline, dotted, underline, okay. I guess, okay. Remove the default font size and weight for headings. Inherit, font weight, inherit, okay. Set links to optimize for opt-in styling instead of opt-out. Okay. Yeah, okay. Add the correct font weight in Edge and Safari. Seriously? They like... Wow. They like don't have bolder font for B and strong text. Is the user's configured mono font family by default? Is the user configured mono font by default? Okay. Add the correct font size in all browsers. Font size 80%. Okay. Actually. Okay. Sub font size. Prevents sub and sub elements from affecting the line height in all browsers. Okay. Remove text indentations from table contents in Chrome. Okay. Use the modern Firefox focus style for all focusable elements. As the correct vertical alignment in Chrome and Firefox. Oh, there are so many inconsistencies. Add the correct display in Chrome and Safari. Make list unstyled by default. Make replaced elements. Display block by default. Consider images and videos to the parent width and parents and preserve their intrinsic aspect ratio. Inherit font style in all browsers. Remove border radials in all browsers. Remove background color in all browsers. Ensure consistent opacity for disabled states in all browsers. Okay. Restore default font weight. Bolder. T group. And that's interesting. Set the default placeholder color to a semi-transparent version of the current text in the browser. Do not crash when using color mix. Prevent resizing text areas horizontally by default. Remove the inner padding in Chrome, Safari, and macOS. Okay. Okay. Actually, let me check. What text do I use here? It's like what? 24? It's 24. And my default size is 20, right? Font size is gonna be 1 rem. It's gonna be 16. Then, is there any tag I can use for this? Like, subtitle. Is there a tag for subtitle? Subtitle tag HTML. H1, H6. Header. P, tagline. Oh, actually subtitle is probably the wrong word for that, right? But, I don't know, let's just use it. Font size 1.25 rem. Subtitle. Okay. So I want to change the font. Font source. JetBrains. Install. Copy. Let's go here. Import. Include the following line in the root layout of your project to import the font. Include CSS in your project by adding the following line to your project font family. Okay. So, what am I doing? I'm going here. Right? Is there a way to include... There probably should be a way to include other CSS, right? So I can like create pre-flight here. Okay, copy all of that. Place it here. And go to import pre-flight.css. Just like that. And please work. Wait. It won't work? Oh, it seems to work. Wait. CSS. Import other CSS file. Add import. Okay. Nice. Also got the font here. How do I use it? Font family. Is it gonna like change everything? How does it work? CSS font family. So sheriff. Specifies a prioritized list of one or more font family names and generic family names for selected element. But it doesn't work here. This is because it's like monospace. Oh, because, yeah, my bad. Around there. Please load config. Wait. Fail to load config. Everyone started the server was stopped. What? Wait. White config. White font source, I guess. Install. In your application, enter file, page, or site component, import the font package using the package name, for example, to import the following code. Okay, so I have to like use it in TypeScript, in JavaScript or anything. Like I go here, import. Right all. Weight and styles. Okay, CSS. Font family, open sans. What exactly causes this problem? The service was stopped, right? A pipe. Unrun build. Potential cause. Package not specifies White, new version of White often requires a more recent version of Node.js, Node.js, but I'm using ban. Dependency and version. Ban update. I've been using ban add, let's remove it. Ban remove. Ban run dev. Wait, that's so weird, it was working like just a minute ago. Okay, now it works, but failed to run dependencies, can't skip in dependency pre-building, error the following dependencies. Import but should not. Okay, yeah. Where do I import them? Layout. Right. Okay, now it works. Let's add everything one by one. Ban add the font. Let's then go here, import it here, and do ban and dev. Okay, it works. Let's move on to FCSS. Copy this one. Okay, it works, but it's still a leak. That's funny. Let's go here. Duplicate it. Do it that way, right? Nice. Now let's add preflight. So that was the preflight, right? The issue was in preflight. Preflight. Will it work? Okay, seems to work. What was the problem then? That's so weird. Okay, at least it works. So here, 20 pixels, 64 pixels, okay. 16 pixels. File not found. FCSS. It's gonna be here HR. Border. Is it border? Is it just color? Var. DG1. Yeah. CSS increase the width of HR 14 years ago. Okay, let's border none, height 1 pixel, says HR color, background color. Focus is remove any border and use the height thickness and then the background color with the style. So pixel rendering. It's tricky. Can actually. No, there's something weird. Hate. Okay, let's try hate. That's how you do it? No, I'm so lost. No, it's not. Wait, what am I doing? Inspect. Okay, so the height is actually 2, but it's like doesn't help. No, that's not what I want. Let me just write something here. Border. Solid. 1 pixel. Oh, I deleted it. Solid. 1 pixel. Okay, seems to work. Actually, it seems to work. There are only 2 pixels, I can see. I'm not sure like how does it work, that there are like only 2 pixels. But it actually works. Yeah, now there is 4 pixels. Okay. So let's leave it that way, I guess. Okay, that works. Let's do what? Go to page itself. Container. We got the container, display flags. Let's add gap here immediately. And it's gonna be like 4M. Maybe that's too much. 2RM. Also want avatar to take the full width and height. How do I make container shrink to the height of the content while also make avatar take the full height of this container svelte? Let's close everything. It's gonna be a bit cleaner here. Tailwind. Remove that. Yes, this one I need. Don't need that. Okay, pretty good. Wow. It's classic Flexbox problem. The two goals seems contradictory at first, but can be achieved by letting Flexbox do the work for you. The core issue is that you're manually setting min height and alignment is a way that conflicts with your goals. Is to remove alignment center property to stretch. Hidden to RAM. Avatar. Wait. No, wait. That's not what I want. That's not what I wanted. Okay, let's just set a static height. Like, I don't know, for him. It's actually not gonna work, right? Because, okay, if I'll use frames, maybe it will work, but I'm not sure. Let's remove this one. Let's move it actually. I want to remove this to main. Go here. I bet. Go here. Container. Display flex direction column gap 1 rem. Okay, that works. It seems to work. Okay, pretty close. Should I add gap here? Enough. Flex. No, it's like display flex. Then let's go to tailwind. Want to check how justify between is gonna look like in CSS. Justify between. Justify content space between. Space between. Okay, good. That one already looks pretty good. A. Actually, I want to add it to the main CSS file. A. Hover. Decorations. How do I do underline? Text underline. CSS text underline. Text decoration. TD. Underline. Okay, pretty good. Pretty good. Where I feel like BG1 is way too dark. Let's make it 20. Yeah, this one is better. I want to remove it from here. I'll probably never use it again. Subtitle. Use the subtitle. And do 1.5. Sure, I'm not sure. 1.4. Should I make the mesh by the LAN? Well, the RAM is so small, right? Yeah. This one is a little bit better, but still. 18. It's a little bit misaligned, but I guess it's okay. Routine. Avatar container. Greeting. Flex. Display flex. Flex direction column. Gap. .5 RAM. Wait, what am I doing? Greeting. Oh, my bad. It actually look a little bit better. This probably looks a little bit better. Let's update avatar. Size to 10 RAM. Okay. What was that? Okay, never mind. Also, I want to go here and don't make every font monospace, right? So there's gonna be like class called mono, which is gonna have this font. I took mono subtitle. Actually, I can just set it here. Mono greeting. Actually, to be honest, I can just get it here. And just like that. Okay, here it looks better. Why? I got bold font here. Class. Actually, let's just go back to FCSS. Each one and make it bold. Font weight. How do I do it? Weight. TV. Font weight. Bold. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. Regular here. Medium here. Let's try it out. Font weight. Medium. Oh, I missaid it. Has it changed? How can I tell? Like, there's no way for me to tell. I can see the size, 64, 16, but not the weight. I can check it that way actually. Where's A? Oh, I got it here. Wait. Have I said it? Yeah, I said it. Right. Oh, it's for hour. Wait. Doesn't work. CSS, font, weight. Normal, bold, lighter, bolder. Okay, so there is no such thing as medium here. Normal, 500, 600. Okay. So this one is gonna be like 700. 600. It gets a little bit bolder, but okay, let's do it that way, I guess. So I feel like this text is way too dim. Okay, now it's better. Why do I have this like Oh, is it because it's a new line? Right, that's the reason. Oh, they have the same len, right? Like identical len. Or maybe that's because it just stretches to the width of the parent. Yeah, that's the reason. 1.5? Too much. 48. I mean, pretty good. 47. This one seems to fit the best. Was it 59, right? 91. 69, 91. 37, 59. Yeah. Let's go that way. Okay, so 47 is probably the best one. Let's also decrease gap here. 0.25. Okay, how do I create separate layouts in Svelte? Svelte layout. I want like this homepage don't have the layout, right? About layout. Yeah, so that means everything down like downhill is gonna have the same layout, right? Advanced routing. Svelte remove layout from particular page. Could wrap the rest of your routes, including your layout files in a folder-like app. This way your errors don't inherit you. Okay. So I'm doing like app. Oh, my bad. App. Plus layout. That's Svelte. So what I'm gonna do here is add slots. So I'm going here and I create not about that's no, it's yeah, it's like about directory, and then I'm going plus page dot svelte. Right? About. Okay, it works. Now let's go to layout. Let's do nav. Actually, well, let's check the difference between header and nav. Since header is supposed to be used in a section in element and nav is a section in element, you can nest header inside the nav. Okay. Call a spade if your nav bar does just that. Then name it navigation.js navbar. If it's just part of the app header, then the whole thing would be a header.js. Okay, let's just call it now then. It's also header. Okay, yeah, so I like... Yeah, I guess it would make sense to make header. Right, and just insert nav inside. Oh, actually, yeah, and here I'm gonna add link to the root. It's my username here. Also, doesn't use the styles from the main layout, right? So I have to like manually import them every time, I guess. about. What's that? Internal error. That's not the reason, right? Okay. Kinda weird, but okay. So I'm doing class mono. It seems to work. Then I'm going to the main page, taking the nav here. Nav. Style. Header. Header what? Display flex. Justify content. Place between. Space between. Okay, pretty good, pretty good. What else? 32. 20. Okay. Padding 48, 32. Padding 48, 32. Actually, let me do it other way around. It's gonna be 3 RAM and 2 RAM. Oh, I saw them. So first is Y. Interesting. Interesting. Nav. Display flex. Gap. 1 RAM. 2 RAM. Okay, pretty good. Set class here, call it home. Home. Font. Size. To RAM. Okay, pretty good. Actually don't like it. I like that it's bold when it's covered. I want to just make it bolder all the time. Font weight, and probably just 500. Right? Let's go here. Now font size is gonna be like what, 1.5? Okay, that seems way too big. Is that how it should be? No, it's not. It's like 125. Okay, good. Svelte kit, get the what's called path to current page. Loading data. Page yes. Title, content. Title, content. Hello, Faris. Hello. Bonjour, Faris. Why you type exim is so weird. Good to see you. Look at that, Faris. Look at that. W, thank you, thank you. Like, I made this quick redesign of the whole website, right? To make it even more simplistic, more organized, more like edgy. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. also, like, I decided to fully drop Tailwind, which like I've been using for pretty much all the projects recently, like for maybe past 2 years, and using plain CSS, and it's kinda pain. Not gonna lie, using CSS, it's kinda pain. I guess it's probably because I don't know CSS, right? I mean, I kinda know it, but I know it like through the prism of Tailwind. Currently eating. Okay, so I guess bon appetit. What are you eating? Just wait and learn. Yeah, I guess, yeah. I mean, it's already better than it was yesterday, because yesterday I was struggling so hard. It'd be cool after a moment. Okay, that doesn't sound convincing anymore. You know, like, just watch 3 more seasons and it's gonna be perfect. It's like the plot will open from the different side. I eating some rice with chicken and some potato on the side. Now, rice with chicken is like a killer combo. I'm ready to eat rice with chicken like to the end of my life, honestly. Like, yesterday I cooked, how's it called? Truque? Right? No, this one. How's it called? Yes, this one. Meat. Bird. Wait. Is there like... Wait, meat. Bird. Okay. Makes sense, kinda makes sense. And it's like so delicious. So delicious. Give me rice, chicken and broccoli and I'm set for life. True, very true. I've not been eating broccoli for a long time, however. Okay, so what am I doing? This page is pretty good. Let's go to about. It's terrible. I eat like 500, like half a kilo a day. What's terrible about that? Okay, I got slot here. Got header. It's probably like body. Not body, main. Right, main here. Delete this, paste this. Nothing, just the same scene over and over. I mean, it's okay. Like, as long as you enjoy it, it's more than okay. What am I doing? Wait. Let's wrap everything into a div. Place it here. Class. Actually, let's make it body. Will it work? I hope it will. Body. Yeah, it's already was body. Okay, surprisingly. Oh no, it doesn't work anymore. The main content just disappears. Fuck, that's frustrating. Div. I don't enjoy broccoli? Seriously? That's why you're eating half a kilo of broccoli every day? I love them with everything I have. Wait, what? I don't enjoy broccolis? I love them with everything I have. How do I do that? Forest. I'm addicted. I don't enjoy it. I enjoy it. You're so weird, man. Not gonna lie. Vertical. No offense. Damn, I also wanted, like, I was not sure if I should write that in Discord or not. Like, honestly, I remember, like, do you remember me playing chess? And I was like always confusing your names. Like, your and Anna's names. And honestly, after this stream, I felt so terrible. Like, I don't... like, I'm not... I would assume you probably should not be, like, offense or something. But at the same time, like, I just felt really bad. Because, I mean, I honestly value both of them on my streams because, like, like, I would be able to stream without that, but you both just make it easier from like to go from day to day. And I don't know, it just felt really bad. Well, it's okay, it's just funny. There's just some usernames in the chat at the end of the day. Yeah, like, you're right. And I'm just like an array of pixels on your screen. Maybe I'm like AI generated. Who knows? Right? Yep. Vertical. Maybe I am. You are AI generated? By the way, check this out. First. That is it. I have to like get used to my... Look at that. They are fully 3D printed. Fully 3D printed. No, you look like a chess player. Yeah. It kinda works. Oh no, they look kinda cute, not gonna lie. Like, they have this negative angle, you know, it like goes this way. They're really comfy, not gonna lie. Also, it's like, I've been seeing it recently, and it's like, it feels so weird, like, these are glasses, right? But at the same time, there is like no real glass in it. So, I wanted like to scratch my eye, and I've been doing it that way, but then I like, stopped for a minute, so like, why would I do it just like that? And I like just like watched at the cam, and it was so weird, I was like laughing so hard. It's like looks so uncomfortable to watch something like that. Can you see that? It's like... Do you need to wear glasses? No, like I have perfect vision. I have to wear glasses, but I don't. Oh. Don't you struggle with seeing scenes? Like really. I mean, I just like how glasses looks. Like how accessory I like them. I do, but okay, I see. Why? Wait, I got a lot of F's here. As long as I see my screen, I'm okay. That meant for you. What are you gonna do when you're not gonna see your screen? Okay, if when sounds way too harsh. Flex. Flex direction? Yeah. Column. Just like that. Okay. And it's also like items. Align item center. Is that how you do it? Yay! It works. It works. Get closer to the screen. How's it name called? Like modern problems meme or something like that. I don't remember. Yeah, this one. Modern problems require modern solutions. Why like everything is aligned to center? That's not what I wanted actually. Let's remove it from here. Go create another style called main. Do display flex here. Damn, I'm using flex so often. Maybe can I like encapsulate CSS logic? Is there like such thing in CSS? First, do you know about? Okay, pretty good. I got... Wait, someone writes me in, on Twitch. Hello, great streamer. How was your stream going? Forrest, look at that. It was today. How do I scale it? How do I open? That's ridiculous. 2.2k followers? Wait a minute. That's not a... No. Wait. That's different. How bot can have 2.2k? Is it legal? Then that becomes more weird. Faris, are you here? Can you see that? Yeah, no way, like you can't get the amount of followers without streaming. Jelly belly. Okay. Okay. Let's move it back. Just like that. Yep. Okay. Where is my website? Yep, here we go. Actually, I want to drink some water. Okay. Something's wrong. I don't understand what like makes me like don't like this. Oh, I know what exactly. All of these links are white and I don't like that. So I'm going here, layout data. Data children. Wait. Only data. Is this like I can recall I've been using SaltKit at some point and I can recall that this is what I need, but I'm not sure how do I get the like params Slack. Okay, I see. Title. Page load. Param Slack post. Get post. Can I like just page load? Load. Wait. Get a Slack to the current page. Page store. Public types. This seems to be way too old. Routing. Page filled. Data page props. Pages can receive data from load functions via the data prop. Yeah, but can I like omit load function like completely? Please. Please. Can I just like get the Slack? I guess I can't, right? Props. Okay, let's do it that way then. About. Yeah, I'm going here. Add plus dot layout. No, that just layout. That's weld. Dot ts. I set here. Layout load. Yeah. That's unexpected. Fuck, is there something wrong with my config, right? Okay, let's just leave it that way. So I have to like return object. Here's gonna be Slack, right? Where is it? Profile? No, that's not what I want. Wait a minute. Sections. Section Slack. Wait. Section. Wait. Where do I get this? Each data sections? Oh, I see. Wait. Slack. Page status. Params. Params Slack. Params. Params. What's Slack? Has any type? Yeah. Is it bad? Page load. Oh. That's so weird. Hello, hello, Wait a minute. Conpapas? Conpapas, yeah? Am I reading it right? Hello, Enes, hello, bro, give up on chess so easily? Man. Man, calm down. You can call me Con. Okay, Con. Okay. Glad to hear. How are you? Both of you, like Enes, Con, how are you? And Enes, I have... Fuck. I do not give up. Remember that. Good, how about you? Good. I'm pretty good. I'm actually pretty good. I've been redesigning my website, right? I made this like quick sketch of how I want it to look like. I'm making it like a little bit more strict. And now I'm just basically implementing... Oh. Yeah, so I made the main page. Now I'm doing everything else. Bro, when you zoom in like that, it is just so funny. I know this... I mean, it's meant to be that way. Okay. I hate these TypeScript errors. I have no idea why are they here. I also felt. Okay, now. If I'm going here, how do I load it? So I'm just doing props. Page props. Okay, I see. Let's add it here. Script. Paste it. Hey, yo, that cat! This one? Wait a minute, how did I do it? It's like... The moment I'll have to leave or someone's gonna like enter my room, it's also like... turns off my mic, so it's like... I can just like... hide But the question, why TypeScript? I mean, I like types. Like, listen. I'm full-time Go developer, right? I hate loosely typed languages, right? Like, I hate TypeScript because it just feels weird, right? But I hate not having types even more, right? Like, I can use GSDoc. I assume that might be something you'll say, right? But also GSDoc are like so like comprehensive. I like always write these huge comments. So I don't know, actually I don't know. I just can't embrace like automatic typing. What are these emojis? Yushiha. Yushihai. Demoness. That's so funny. Just model types has no exported name, page props. Who cares? Right? Who cares? What am I doing here? Svelte? Conditional? Class. Oh, also. Enes, do you want to see that? Give me a minute. So like you don't like Python variables? No, I don't. Like, I mean, I've been using Python some long time ago. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Like, I noticed it today. Today is 6:15 p.m. Hello, great streamer. How was your stream going? I'd love to watch stream and support streamers. Have you hit partner? It's so... I know, it's so cursed. Like, I also... I wanted to check the profile, right? And it's kind of weird. Like, I'm not sure why is it not banned, right? I don't have a problem, to be honest. I can do both. You mean like typed languages and not typed languages? Like, this person has 2.2k followers, which is like ridiculous. And it's like account from 2024. How is this not banned? Like, can do both. But like, isn't it? Like, listen. Like, you can, like, sometimes you can just, like, pass wrong variable, can't you? And when you have types, you can just see that, like, the variable is wrong type. It just makes life often so much easier. It's like only one of examples. What do I have here? Thread conditional classes? Yeah, that's what I want. Multiple conditional classes. Class. Oh, I see. I see. Okay. So what do I do here? Class equals data.slack equals about. Wait. My bad. Wait, I'm doing it wrong. Yeah. It should be... Yeah, so... It's gonna be muted. Just like that. And muted is here, right? Yeah. Let's copy it. Paste here. Projects. Actually, not equal. Let's check if it works. Okay, I have to fix my type errors. It just won't work without it, right? Fuck. Files plus are reserved. Oh, I guess I see. Wait, is it like really? Is that the problem? Page filled. Page TS. No, I have like it works properly. Wait, it should work that way, I guess. Layout plus page 30 TS. Yeah. Fuck, it's so weird. Clear. One run. Dev. Are reserved. Layouts filled to TS. Yeah, like move. Just layout TS. Okay, now it works. Slack. Don't exist in type route params. Loading data. Layout. Layouts files can also load data. But can I have like... Do I have to like do load, page load? Page load? Is it possible to do here? Okay, this is kinda weird. Page load. Oh, I can't. You know what I'm gonna do? DRMD. Copy everything. Let's go here. Let's clean the chat. How do I make ensure to the current active page white and others muted using layout and svelte. Isn't muted enough. We're using layout and svelte. Good. Ah, my bad, wait. Point 7. Run. Of course, you're very close to the solution. The issue is how you're trying to get the current page path. This is a problem. Delete layout, yes. Oh. Page. Seriously? It's that simple? Wow. Or is it like using the old SvelteKit? Page. Is it deprecated? Yeah, page is deprecated. I'm using like SoulKit 2.0, right? Right it. Svelte Kit 2.26. Let's check if it's gonna work that way. I'll do like layout using in modern SoulKit version 2.0. Run. Actually, there is like docs for LLMs in Svelte. Tutorial. No. How do I do that? Playground? Blog? Tutorial? Docs? SoulKit? LLM? Svelte LLM? Docs for LLMs. A listing of available files. Complete documentation for SoulKit and CLI. Compressed documentation for use with medium context windows. Small. Highly compressed documentation for use with small context windows. Close this. Okay, so tries to use page. Docs for Svelte. And Svelte Kit. SMD probably. Right? How many tokens is that? Oh, not that much. I can actually use more. Right? Layout. Extraction. Listing of the available files. Okay. LLM is full. How many tokens is gonna take this one? Okay, that's a lot of tokens. It seems to be a lot of tokens. Yes, that's way too much, actually. Medium. Okay, let's leave it that way, I guess. Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, struggles a lot. Never mind. Page. Damn man, like why are you doing that? Unnecessary code. Man. You're ridiculous. Page is deprecated. GS page is declared, but its file is... Oh, I'm so dumb. I was reading deprecated and it was reading declared. Fuck, that's ridiculous. Let's remove this, yes. Remove this. Oh, my bad. This, right? Go here, page URL path name. Page URL path name. Damn, it was so easy. Like, I was the only person who was tripping actually. Okay, let's delete everything. Huh? Wait. Am I doing that? This comparison appears to be unintentional because it types because what? Wait. Right. Bow. Wait a minute. Will it appear here? Ban, run, build. No, just work. Couldn't take a supported production environment. Okay, this doesn't matter. But what are these? How do I look at that? NVM C what's it called? Diagnostics, right? On hover CD. This comparison appears to be unintentional because the types about, slash, string about, and projects have no overlap. And so what? It's so weird. Why is it even error and not a warning? Is it trying to say that there is like a better way to do that? No, that's actually so weird. Let's just add everything. Will it work? Ban, run, dev. Yeah, it works. Let's create other pages. So what do I do? Ink? Oh, I can. Ink one files. Paste. Okay, let's just add projects. My bad, undo. Fuck, delete. Add projects plus page.svelte. Projects. Oh, there is something. Oh, yeah. Wait. No, wait. Have I? Wait. Projects. Yeah, my bad here. Journal. Log. Gallery. Notes. Yeah, it works. Actually, I feel like it's enough for today. I've done pretty good progress. And also, like, I'm starting to kind of like CSS. Doesn't feel that bad anymore. So I guess that's it.